the reason why we put it there because we are seizing the opportunity because the American Embassy fence has stopped there, so we're just using that because there will be no cars coming this in traffic.
I understand. I understand.
Yes.
We can allow you to park based on this one. Mana? Ini dah punya taksi. Ita kula ya lonan to lakana. Is better yela moto bondi ya. Ta itina aja ni na raja aresel. This space for him. He has to bring it down. I'm going to get him. Somebody is there. Let somebody go there. Hello? Go there.
This structure here needs to be out. As you can see, it's been written, clearly written. So the whole, this whole structure starting from there, that fence line coming down here, it's all need to be demolished. So we almost to the American Embassy. So they approved in it, as you can see, the hammerman with the hammer.
Prime insurance and name. The representative manager will finish this thing. Is this people coming?
Wait, kalau mau so bilai, saya ngan news lah tu.
issue here is this sales that you have here. And on this podcast, the projection is very, very low. All right? It needs to be
From where?
the sale itself needs to be here. Because what is happening here, you are claiming ownership of this space, which is not right. Where you claim it as not that way, it is just temporary. Your staff are not obliged to back here because when they were building them, they did not foresee parking because of most of staff. What is happening with this country, people build at the fence line, they did not stand back to care of the fence. So the moment we build on the fence line, whatever outside is on public space. So if your parking has to be temporary, but the moment you erect this to secure this as a parking, it appears public and it appears you claim for ownership, which is not right. That's why all of them has to be off. And you rearrange your cars. We can allow only a few parking here because our tow truck starting from next week will be crossing here. It will be seen like the way you park will be going past. So that's why we stop here to tell you. You have any
Where should we park up to?
Maybe you can advise us where we can stop.
Normally we're given up to here.
Up to So what about the
all has to be gone. The state has to go out.
It has to be moved.
All.
What is the timeline on that?
Well, it starts from within 24 hours. We understand based on the nature of the job. But the moment you start, meaning you comply. Yeah, doesn't mean that it has to start within 24 hours and finish. No, we're not saying that.
Because the reason why we put it there because we are seizing the opportunity because the American Embassy fence has stopped there, so we're just using that because there will be no cars coming this in traffic.
I understand. I understand.
Yes.
We can allow you to park based on this one, but what you are claiming that is
No, that's fine. About this. What you're saying is the parking space.
Yes. Now the parking space.
Can I? No. Someone.
Can I add it here now?
Yeah, okay, just adding it up to here.
What I'm saying is, it's not about us. This parking space is not limited to only poor.
Yes.
People that come to the bank.
I know.
So it's open to anybody that comes here. We are not saying this is poor. But the fact that we put the canopy there and he said you should go, that's fair enough. But the parking space is not for us alone. Anybody can park here. We cannot control anybody parking from where you say we should stop to where it goes. That is something that is up to the individual. But obviously what you're saying is public space. So if the public wants to use it, they can use it. Or it's a parking space, they can come park it and go. It's just that we're not saying that because we say this is cool and nobody comes here, we are not limiting anybody. Anybody that comes from the bank can park there. But if you think the canopy should go and everybody else is complying, that's something we can do. We thank you for that. Yeah?
For your staff, what I am saying, like that, as I said, my tow truck will be crisscrossing. You can advise them where not to go over there because the tow truck will be busy coming.
So now you limit us up to where now?
It's an option.
No, it's not
Sorry.
Yes.
Right. Now the vehicles have to stop here. All the vehicles. So don't allow any staff to stop to park this side, huh? And on Monday we have to try to arrange to take out the
Pull out all.
Yeah, we have to take them all out.
So it's easy.
So please,
We have to lose it
all
up.
staff.
We have to lose it up and then park it.
All staff have to stop here. Not to park
On Monday.
We'll be on this part. Okay?
No problem.
Thank you.
Highly welcome.
So you give me that instruction. So you now
Make it road to your bank. If you're not comfortable with that, still raise back to National Road Authority. It is written on your certificate that when this space is needed by government, you'll be asked to take it up at your own cost, but still NRA can give you a new spot. All right, so you take it up where it's resting and the pavement, that is the concrete pavement, you take it up and flush it on the ground. That's why we're here. All right, is that okay?
Yes.
And this, what is this one doing here for?
This was
COVID is over.
yeah, it's over.
Yes, take it up.
It's over.
Take it up and allow the customers to go in.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
And your cars,
Okay.
the same. I am telling these people. Starting from next week,
Yes.
we got a lot of tow trucks that will be crisscrossing here. Our problem on this road is unnecessary traffic buildup. All right. It is the major cause of it is the parking lots people created. We all understand it's a custom in this country. Everybody built on your fence line. The moment you built on your fence line, your right stops. Outside is a public space. So you do not cater for any parking for your staff or your customers here. It's not a right for anybody. It will be the privilege. The privilege, we're looking for the customers first. Allow the customers to come to do their business easily. But if they have to park, like those cars, parking around the totem cannot be allowed again. 1, 2, 3, 4 vehicles on a row.
What about from there? That white car coming this
No,
way?
white car is off.
It's off.
It's black car.
This black car?
Yes, black car.
Yes.
3, 1, 2, 3, or
Yes.
4. The rest all out.
What about the customers? We also have a parking lot for the customers as well.
Your staff, take your staff away.
Yeah.
Let them go and find a parking.
Okay.
And allow your customers to come in.
Okay.
Simple, right?
No problem.
All right.
No problem.
We're almost to traffic light.
Sidi, galle.
Abdama, why don't boss what please?
Cement board. Yeah. You take it up. And the concrete where it's base, complete it, cut it, floss it on the ground. All right. Right away. Your customers, when they come, let them face this way. All these cars parked here, they're not supposed to park here. My tow truck will start coming and tow the trucks along the road there. So let them come against your wall and park, do their business and go. Okay? Sure. All right. Thank you. Where's MP? MP, call somebody to come up. How are you? Okay. Is that your totem? Yes, sir. That board there. Bring it down. The concrete where it's resting. Take it up completely. Floss it on the ground. Take everything out. All. The metal and the concrete down. Okay. Take it all
Anywhere
out.
to relocate it or something?
Closer to your building. Closer. Yes.
Okay, no
Yes. Yeah. Okay. And this car.
No, sir, the car is not belongs to anyone.
So it doesn't belong to you
Anyway.
because we'll be picking cars around there.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Down road and this here. Oh my God. Where's the guy? Yes. So this parking whatsoever you created there with the block and everything against the wall at the road there, take it out completely, surrounding this block and the flowers at the door there, at the road there, clean everything up. Huh? Cars should not be parking along the road. The road users supposed to be using it when they had to alight any passenger easily park. But the way you put this over there, vehicle cannot use it. So it has to be cleaned within 24 hours, starting from right now. And let no car be parking around there. Let them be parked against your wall. Including all these things, you take it off. All right, this, take it off completely. Your building stops here. That's where your ownership stops. Anything outside is not going to be allowed, okay? They're going to take your details, your whatsoever. We'll come here and see whether you take it.
Because the authorities knows that the American Embassy get the approval from them before they come put this in sea. If they also are not going to have the approval from the authorities, then they are safe. Thank you. Yes, sir. Good afternoon. Good. I'm Mr. Kamara, Representative Clady Road. Yes. Our problem here is this railings you put at the perimeter of your property here, and this structure also should be removed, and all these signboards should be removed. Huh?
Is there any notice?
No, the government only gave a press release 6 months ago that all people or any activities on the public space should be cleared. Now we are taking it as an initiative to take credit by ourselves now, and we have started this operation since on the 9th of October.
There is a comment. It was like he said, it's said by the president of America. What are doing it? From my end.
Excuse me. Again, the government directly.
Can I wait still?
Yes, can wait.
Okay, fine.
Can wait.
Yeah. We are looking when we are on the
Can you just shift a bit?
Can you what?
Can you shift
Sir,
a bit
please.
behind
Yes,
us? Yes.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes,
This
sir.
is taskforce.
Okay.
Representative Clady Road. The government has been giving us the assignment to clear all illegal encroachment on the public space.
Okay.
Yes, that's why we are here.
Okay.
So I recently talked to him that all these railings here, this white fence here, should be removed. This structure here also need to be removed.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
We as a bank, we are law abiding, and all the locations that you went to, including Banjo, Brikama, on the other road on Sayejo, we have abided by it.
Very well.
We have done it.
Yes.
So this is coming to us as a surprise. If you are telling us to remove, you give us a time, and we'll act on it. You have to give us time so that we can engage people that will do it for us. And by the time given to us lapses, you come around and see that we would have confirmed and conformed to your instruction.
That's fine. We have no problem with that. Okay. You know, normally our only problem will be failure to comply whatever we're going to advise you. But hence you're going to comply. We have no problem with that.
No problem.
Because we know these are some of the things they need some techniques, technical techniques
for people to do it. Yes,
so we can give you time to remove
Thank you.
it.
So what time are we looking at?
Normally we give you 24 hours.
Okay.
But that 20 hours will be that at least should be start doing something
Okay,
till you complete. We have no problem with that.
no problem. I want to crave your indulgence. No, we are going for prayers in the next 20-30 minutes.
Yes.
Tomorrow is Saturday. Most people will not work.
No problem.
Even the people that will do approval will not be here.
No problem.
Monday is public holiday. All of us are going to Banjo.
Yes.
So give us till Wednesday. So that we'll use Tuesday when we're going to get approval and Wednesday to be able to confirm.
That's fine. It's no problem.
Thank you very much. Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you. Our problem here is the perimeter fence we put outside here. If you can kindly ask someone to come and move it here, we're going to appreciate that, please. All right. Thank you.
I know the real.
Okay, thank you.
Halo.
Busi.
Itu spot beda nasi lagi. Ayo, jalan.